idées en même temps. Donc, comme les fenêtres du café sont déjà...
Hello there, welcome to my studio. My name is Chloe, I'm a Belgian artist who likes to create stuff and share them on the internet. In this vlog, I'll be taking you along as I prepare workshops and draw on windows. Get yourself your favorite drink, your favorite craft, and enjoy! If you know me, or if you have eyes really, you know I love Moomin. It started as casual interest, I thought the characters were cute, and then Linus got me Winter in Moomin Land for Christmas. From there, the interest intensified gradually. I got another book, found the cartoon on YouTube. On my trip to Helsinki, I went crazy in the Moomin shop and genuinely cried when I saw Tove Janssen's art at the museum. Since then, I've been obsessed as ever. That's why I decided to make this little painting based off the famous bridge illustration. As most people, I do ship Moomin and Snufkin together. I adore Moomin and Snog Maiden. I think they bring out a lot of good stuff in each other, and their dynamic is quite similar to Moomin Papa and Moomin Mama, who are couple goals. But there's just something so soft and pure in Moomin and Snufkin's relationship. Even if you decide to ignore the gay subtext or disagree with the ship, their friendship is just so wholesome, healthy, and caring. They understand and complement each other in a way that is heartwarming and inspirational. And I think everybody needs a Snufkin to their Moomin.
So, I kind of want to be doing more things right now, but it's like 5 minutes to 1 in the morning, and I'm doing a shop window tomorrow morning. I'm gonna draw little Halloween theme stuff on the windows of the cafe where I do the workshops, Sunday workshops. So the reasonable thing to do would probably be to go to bed. But no, you know what? No buts. I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Il est en train de...
On paper, if I don't go into too much details, I am living my dream life. Look at me doodling on Windows. Look at me having the time to record and edit YouTube videos just for fun. Look at me, but not for too long, and not too closely. Otherwise, you might see the self-doubt seeping through the cracks. Scratch that. I am living my dream life. Not 24/7. Not when I get rejected from a gallery. Not when advertising my workshops feels like yelling into the void. Not when a substantial chunk of the money I make is siphoned by taxes and admin costs. I am living my dream life when I can't believe I'm being paid for drawing pumpkins on windows. I am living my dream life when people have fun at my workshops. I am living my dream life when someone commissions me for a pet portrait. I am living my dream life in bursts. And that's good enough for me.
So I just did a bit of admin work just now. I mean, it literally took 5 minutes. I was just logging in my contracts for the weekend. So today is Friday. I woke up very late because I had another goblin night last night and I went to bed really, really late. But it's okay. I'm just in that phase at the moment. So, as I was saying earlier, I'm working tomorrow and Sunday. So, I'm taking it slow today. I'm working for the entire weekend, so I need a bit of time off. I was working yesterday too, so but yeah, so I need to today what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get my stuff ready for my workshops. I have a needle felting workshop tomorrow, and then on Sunday it's a little felt decorations workshop. So it sounds similar, but it's very different. Not the same technique at all. So yeah, I'm gonna get all of that ready so that tomorrow I can just chill in the morning before I go. I have this turtleneck jumper that I bought off Vinted a while ago. I really like it. I like the color. I don't have many things in that kind of tan. I don't have many neutrals in my wardrobe, so this is quite a nice staple, but it's a bit too stapley for my taste, so I've been wanting to zhuzh it up a bit. For ages, it's been in my bag of stuff to flip, upcycle, customize forever. And I thought, it's autumn, I'm gonna need this jumper, so it's about time I get to the zhuzhing of it. And I decided I was gonna make apples. I love apples. I think they're very autumny. I eat them the whole year round because they're one of the few fruits I can eat without my tummy being upset. So, big apple fan. So yeah, I'm gonna make a jumper in. So yeah, I'm basically going to make a fan jumper of apples to show my apple appreciation.
Oh, it's a car. Oh, it's a palm.
Yes.
Oh, classe. Almost got slapped. Ah, qu'est-ce qui se passe ici? Qu'est-ce que... Waouh! Et ça a été trop cheese.
Oh,
You're gonna be cheese.
cheese.
Cheese. What?
Goblin time together.
Yeah.
Say hi to the camera. So there has been a bit of change since I filmed the vlog. As you can see, I didn't get a haircut. I gave myself a haircut. I cut my hair. If you couldn't tell, this is a self-made haircut. I've also fully rearranged the studio, which is why I'm filming in the corner so that you don't see it, because there will be a video, hopefully it will be the next video, to show you the new studio. I'm really happy with it, so I'm really excited to just work in this renewed space. Hopefully after this video, well, there will be the studio rearranging video and probably another one. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a crafting or a painting video. And then after that, it will probably be the Mexico vlog, because in 2 weeks I'm going to Mexico to visit my brother. I'm very excited about it. I'm going with my best friend. It's a trip that took a bit of planning and of convincing on my part, because if you've seen the Helsinki vlog, I've stated very clearly that I hate flying. I really do not like that. So yeah, 13 hours flight. My brother is lucky I love him. This is the first time I am leaving Europe. I know the United Kingdom is not really in Europe anymore, but geographically, you know what I mean. Hope you enjoyed this video. Was a lot of me just staying in the studio, but as a freelance artist, that's mostly what I do. It's always a bit tricky filming workshops because you know, I'm busy during workshops because I'm there to teach people how to do crafts and stuff, so it's a bit hard to film. I can't really film myself doing the workshops. I can just do like stuff. But let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make a video more focused on the workshops, like on the preparation work I do before the workshop, and then maybe try my best to film a little bit during a workshop. Sorry if this outro is a bit of a mess. I'm tired today. I slept very poorly and I'm on my period, and my period is not painful, but I get a lot of dizzy spells, so should probably sit down and finish editing this video. This was your first video on the channel. I think it's quite representative of what I do, so I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, share with a friend, try and build a little community over here. I'm really motivated and I think we can do something nice over here. Okay, I think I'm finally done. With all that being said, stay weird, stay safe, stay crafty, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one.